Alright guys, welcome back to another video here, Detailing with Gary. I just wanted to give you guys a little trick on mechanical issues. I know it's like kind of detailing channel, but first, don't use this belt conditioner. We used it one time and then it kind of stopped it, and then I tried using it kind of today before I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple of clips, and then it just made it worse. So basically WD-40, it does its job because this is basically a sticky substance which kind of like just makes it more stickier, not run smooth. So basically if you do use WD-40, it's basically oily, kind of loosens up everything, because we previously changed the tensioner in the belt, so the truck should be running fine. There wasn't no reason for that to happen, but just spraying some WD-40 should do its job. So basically just keep watching and then just hear the differences. So basically right there is basically like a circular thing, like your tensioning belt and all that. As you can see over there, that one line, and then where all those lines are, basically your belt is the one that runs across, kind of like it basically shows right there. So we're just going to be spraying around that area, turning it back on, hopefully it goes away. Alright guys, we went ahead and sprayed it. I'm about to turn it on here. I was at the camera. There you guys have it. As you can see, the noise is basically gone just by spraying some WD-40. So if your car makes this noise, just give it a shot and hopefully it works. But that's basically going to be it for today's video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video on that WD-40, spraying it on your like alternator and all your band thing so it stops squeaking. So it's just oily and it's just gonna keep that noise like from going away. But that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below on any futuristic videos you guys might want to see. But other than that, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.